two projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title, Prediction of IPL Match Outcome Using Machine Learning Techniques. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. India's most popular sport is cricket and is played across all over the nation in different formats like T20, ODI, and Test. The Indian Premier League IPL is a national cricket match where players are drawn from regional teams of India, national team, and also from international team. Many factors like live streaming, radio, TV broadcast made this league as popular among cricket fans. The project aims to predict the first inning score in IPL matches using machine learning, considering factors like batting and bowling teams, current runs and wickets, and recent performance metrics within the last 5 overs. This enhances prediction accuracy for viewers, aids strategic decisions, and benefits betting platforms. Traditional methods for predicting the first inning score in cricket rely on historical data, team composition, pitch, weather conditions, and player form. This includes analyzing past performances on similar pitches, average scores at the venue, and assessing the strengths and weaknesses of the teams. However, these methods can be inaccurate due to the cricket's unpredictable nature. The project utilizes common machine learning algorithms such as logistic regression, decision tree, SVM, support vector machine, Navy Bayes, linear regression, random forest, KNN, and voting regressor to predict the first inning score of IPL matches. Features such as batting team, bowling team, overs, runs in the previous 5 overs, and wickets in the previous 5 overs inform these predictions, providing crucial insights for accurate estimation. The mentioned teams in the project are Chennai Super Kings, Delhi Daredevils, Kolkata Knight Riders, Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan Royals, Royal Challengers Bangalore, and Sunrisers Hyderabad, and more to compete in the Indian Premier League, a renowned 2020 cricket league in India. The project enhances viewing experience for cricket fans, aids betting decisions, assists team management in effective strategizing, and enables precise audience targeting for broadcasters and advertisers based on anticipated match outcomes. In this project, we have integrated Flask to deploy our project. Flask, a Python micro framework, is integrated for a user-friendly web interface enabling route handling, HTTP request management, and dynamic content rendering. This allows stakeholders to interact conveniently with predictive models via a web browser, enhancing usability. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are: application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, back-end framework is Jupyter Notebook, database is SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Algorithms used. These are the algorithms built in the project for predicting the first inning score in IPL match. We have built all these algorithms to compare the performance with different error metrics like mean square error, mean absolute error, and R square. And here the voting regressor outperformed the other algorithms, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder, which contains the project source code files. So here, this is the dataset folder. In this project, we have utilized the cricket data. Let us open this data. So here we have the different features. So these are the different features: ID, name, short name, description, home team, away team, toss one, decision, first inning score, second inning score, and many other features. So this data set is used to train the models. And here we have the IPL data set. So here we can see the features: mid, date, venue, bat team, bowling team, batsman, bowler, runs, wickets, overs, run last five, wickets last five, striker, non-striker. And here we have the target column in which we have the scores, the total score. So this data we will use during the execution. This is the model folder which contains algorithm information which will be loaded into the project code during runtime. This is the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. This is notebook.ipynb file. This is a Jupyter Notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. First, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the File Explorer. So here, I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command followed by a space and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Now compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py and hit enter. This command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. Now click on first innings prediction link. So here, this is the prediction page. We are redirected to the prediction page. So here we need to enter these values to predict the score. So I'm selecting the batting team as KKR, that is Kolkata Knight Riders, the bowling team as RCB, that is Royal Challengers Bangalore, and the overs, that is the current number of overs bowled in the innings is 1.1. The runs is 3. That is the total runs scored by the batting team. Wickets is 0. The number of wickets lost by the batting team. Runs scored in previous 5 overs. That is the total number of scored runs by the batting team in the last 5 overs is 3. Wickets taken in previous 5 overs. That is the total number of wickets taken by the bowling team in the last 5 overs is 0. So here I have entered all the values. Now click on predict score button to get the prediction for the score. So here we can see the final predicted score, the range that is between 138 to 158. So this is the predicted score for the match which we have given. Now click on first innings link again to enter the details for other matches. So here I'm selecting the batting team as CSK, that is Chennai Super Kings. The bowling team has MI, that is Mumbai Indians, the overs 6.5. That is, the current number of overs bowled in the innings is 6.5. Runs 56. The total runs scored by the batting team is 56. Wickets, that is, the number of wickets lost by the batting team is 2. Runs scored in previous 5 overs. The total runs scored by the batting team in the last 5 overs is 40. And the total number of wickets taken by the bowling team in the last 5 overs is 2. So here I have entered all the details. The batting team is Chennai Kings, bowling team is Mumbai Indians. Overs 6.5, runs 56, wicket 2. Runs in the previous 5 overs is 40, and the wickets taken in the previous 5 overs is 2. Now click on predict score button. So here we can see the final predicted score, the range, that is 151 to 171. So here the match by the batting team can score this much, that is from 151 to 171. Now again click on first innings link so that we enter other matches. So here I'm selecting the batting team as RR, that is Rajasthan Royals. The bowling team has Delhi Daredevils. The over 2.1. The current number of overs bowled in the innings. Runs, the total runs scored by the batting team 16. The number of wickets lost by the batting team is 1. The total runs scored by the batting team in the last 5 overs is 16. And the total number of wickets taken by the bowling team in the last 5 overs is 1. So here I have entered all the details. Now click on predict score. So here we can see the final predicted score, the range, that is 144 to 164. So here the batting team, which is Rajasthan Royals, will score this much, that is from 144 to 164. Now again click on first innings link to enter other matches detail. So here I'm selecting the batting team has Delhi Daredevils, the bowling team as Royal Challengers Bangalore. Overs 3.6. The current number of overs bowled in the innings is 3.6. The total runs scored by the batting team is 25. And the number of wickets lost by the batting team is 1. And the total runs scored by the batting team in the last 5 overs is 25. The total number of wickets taken by the bowling team in the last 5 overs is 1. So here I have entered all the details. The batting team is Delhi Daredevils. Bowling team is Royal Challengers Bangalore. And these are the scores. Now click on predict score button. So here we can see the final predicted score range, that is from 142 to 161. So here the batting team, which is Delhi Daredevils, will score between 141 to 161. Now click on first innings link again. Let us enter one more matches detail. So here the batting team is Sunrisers Hyderabad. The bowling team is Rajasthan Royals. Overs is 7.1. Runs is 72. Wickets is 3. And the total runs scored by the batting team in the last 5 overs is 72. The total number of wickets taken by the bowling team in the last 5 overs is 3. So here I have entered all the details. The batting team is Sunrisers Hyderabad. Bowling team is Rajasthan Royals. And the scores, is 72 and the wickets taken is 3. Now click on predict score button. So here we can see the final predicted score range, that is from 165 to 185. So the batting team, which is Sunrisers Hyderabad, will score between 165 to 185. Now click on first innings length. So in this way, just by entering these details, that is the batting team, the bowling team, the overs, runs, and the wickets, we can predict the score range of a particular team. So in this project, we have created a system that predicts the first inning score range in IPL matches. And we have utilized many machine learning algorithms in which the voting regressor performed well, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. This system aims to provide valuable insights for teams, coaches, and fans, enhancing the IPL experience.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.